Hi everyone, Heather here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fermented mango juice or mango kefir. So it's a super easy process. Right here I have about 5 very ripe mangoes that I've peeled and put into this bowl, and we're going to puree those. And then you're going to need coconut water, 100% coconut water, non-GMO. This is the kind I like, but an important thing is just make sure it's 100% coconut water, non-GMO when you're buying this if you can't find this brand. And then you're going to need 1 cup of your leftover coconut kefir. And so this is my leftover coconut kefir, and we're going to use 1 cup of that to use as a start in this recipe. So this is a great way to get fruit into your diet in a way that doesn't contain any sugars or fructose. So it's not going to be hard on your liver or your spleen or your pancreas. It's going to actually be supportive and healing to those organs in your body. And really one main thing around fruit and why I like to ferment fruit is because it contains lactobacillus bacteria. At least they do when you're using the coconut kefir culture starters. And the lactobacillus bacteria are really important for many aspects of our well-being. So this is a really great anti-inflammatory way to get fruit and probiotics into your diet. So all you do, we're going to put the mangoes, I got a food processor here, but you could use your Vitamix, you could use your blender, you know, whatever works for you, as long as we get them a little bit, you know, pureed. That's all that counts. And then I'm going to add in some of my coconut water. So I'm just going to add, and this was about 3/4 of the way full, and I put most of it in there. We're just going to top it, and I'm going to blend it for a few seconds. Okay, if you have some chunks, I'm okay with that, but if you're not, then just keep it blending till you get it nice and smooth. And actually this is pretty smooth because those mangoes were super ripe. And of course, always buy the organic fruit when you can. It's going to be so important to your healing process. So this is just going to go in my jar. And I'm actually going to get something to help that go smoother. Okay, so I'm just going to use this little guy because now I can just pour everything in there. That was easy. So if you have one of these, that would be really helpful for this process so your juice doesn't go flying everywhere. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of my culture starter. There we go. And you all have the recipe on how to make the coconut kefir. It's on the YouTube channel here. And I'm going to add a little bit more now. Keep in mind when you're fermenting fruit, it will go at a much faster pace than if you're just fermenting, say, the coconut kefir, because there's a lot more sugar in the fermentation process, and those bacteria in the culture are going to really eat up that sugar at a rapid pace. So leave this on your counter for anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Taste test it after that. And if it still tastes sweet, you know it's not done. You know it needs some more time to ferment. So put the cap back on, let it set on your counter for another 2 or 3 hours, and check it every 2 or 3 hours. When it has this zippy, kind of tangy taste, you know it's done. When you cannot taste the sugar, but it still has that mango flavor, you know it's done. And so this is a really great beverage for adults, kids who you're having trouble getting them to eat more probiotics, this can be a really great way to do that. So enjoy, and feel free to post your questions below in the comment section, or you can reach out to me at ancestraldigestion.com. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.